Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to fill a hole in FreeCAD. So if you want to do it, first you need to create a new empty file, and after that you need to check if you are in the part design mode. It is very important to do it. After that you need to go to Tasks tab, and then you need to click on Create Body. After that you need to click on Create Sketch, and here we select XY plane. Now I click OK button, and I draw here a simple circle. I select here Create Circle by Center, and I draw here circle, and then I draw another one circle inside this one, maybe something like that. Then I click Close button, and I select Pad. Okay, our shape has been successfully created here. So now I click OK button, and if you would like to fill a hole inside this shape, you need to click on this area, and you need to select Create Sketch. Now I click on the circle and I select here Create Circle by Center, and I draw here a simple circle, maybe something like that. The dimension of this circle must be higher than the circle with a hole. So now I click Close button and I click on Pad. Then I need to check here Reverse option and I need to click OK button. Now I go to Model, I select Pad, and I need to check if the option Refine is set to True. It is very important to have it set on True, because if you will change it to False, the effect will be different. So let's check it, please, if you have Refine set to True. So it is how it works. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this video and subscribe my channel, and please let me know in comment if it solved your problem.